like to introduce you to my latest project. This is a 1984 Sport Fisher Pro bass boat. This boat was given to me by my father-in-law. It's been in the family a number of years, but it hadn't been used much lately over the last 10, 12 years. It's been sitting in the yard, so he gave it to us, and our hope is to try to bring it back to life so another generation can enjoy it. So let me walk you around it. It's got a 70 horse Johnson 2-stroke 1984. I've got to go through it and get it running. I'm not even trying to fire it up. The plan is I'm going to get a hoist and take it off the boat. I've already built a stand for it so I can get it going and look at the spark plugs and just go through it, make sure it's sound. I've already started removing some stuff from the back. Got the gas tank out. Got to clean it out. The lids, the wooden lids were all rotted, so I pulled those off. I kept all the hardware, all the screws, all the hinges. They were all stainless steel, so I've got all that saved off. Started removing some of the carpet. What you see there is the glue residue on the back deck. I think the gel coat in this paint has been long gone. I'm down to the flake, so I've got to figure something out there. I started looking at the floor. The floor was soft, went to pull it up, and what you see there is a rotted stringer. That center stringer is rotted, so probably gonna have to split the whole of the boat and make sure everything is good. I knocked on the transom. Transoms feel sound, but since this one stringer's rotted, for a peace of mind, I think I need to go through it and make sure the boat's structurally sound before we put it on the water. This is another live oil up here. Actually, it's got 3. That's 1, 2. Here's a third one. You've got some storage here in the bow. That's the compartment you see there. Front deck, I pulled the carpet out. You see some glue residue. Got to get my sander out and take care of that. Front controls, probably going to be replacing that along with all the wiring. Here you have the trailer, which is still appears to be structurally sound. You can see some surface rust on it. I'll have to replace all that. Some of these wooden bunk boards you see here, all that wood is rotted. That's going to have to be replaced as well. Let's walk around other side here. That cleat there, that's got to be replaced. The control assembly, I'm going to have to test this. I'll test this out once I get the motor off. That tilt switch though right there. See that broken there? It's supposed to be a tilt. Trim tilt switch, that's broken. That's gonna have to be replaced. Of course, trailer and the wiring too. The wiring's gone. The lights rather are gone. That's all gonna have to be replaced. So there you have it. This is a 1984 Challenger bass boat, 16 foot. We're going to restore it, bring it back to life, and take you all along for the ride. Have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.